The fastest car in the world comes from the family of jewelry.
Yeah, exactly. Let's say now the new generation, we are engineers, but everything started with my granddad that he was a jeweler and an artist. So everything he knew about jewelry and artistry, he taught us. So we combine this knowledge with what we actually learned from engineering, and we made all this together to actually get this car, made. So we thought about the lines, and we thought that the 1960 race cars had the best looking lines. So we actually combined that with modern technology and all the mechanics that is needed to actually get to 500 kilometers an hour.
What is it powered by?
It is powered by a V8 9-liter twin turbocharged engine, petrol engine, and at the moment it's just a petrol powered car. But in the future we're actually thinking about putting a hybrid unit in the front. At the moment, but it will just remain petrol for the moment.
How do you achieve 500 kilometers per hour?
We achieve with a combination of power that the engine gives us, torque that we get an enormous amount of torque. We got 2,350 newton meters, and also the combination with aerodynamics, because we did a lot of aerodynamic study. We perfected the body of the car, the underside of the car, to actually get the lowest drag possible and maintaining the downforce needed to actually get to that speed.
Is it just a paper number, or do you have a test track result?
At the moment, it is a number on paper, but at the start of next year, we will have it certified by trying the car probably on Bonneville Salt Flat. That's where we actually want to have it certified, so it's not just a claim, it will actually be for real. People will know that's true.
Will it be the only car, or are you planning to make a couple of them?
That one will be the first car, and we plan to make of this model between 8 to 10 vehicles per year. And then we have a plan for other models to expand the line. But that is the first one. We want to finalize everything with this car and then move on.
So where does the V8 engine come from?
The block of the V8 engine, we got that from Mercury Racing, which is the racing department of Mercury Marine, and that's where we start from. We completed the engine, we tuned it ourselves to get to the performance we actually wanted for the car.